So we are continuing the class. We have already learned decimal expansion of rational number is either terminating or non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. But irrational number, non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion. Example for rational number is anything 1 by 2 is 0.5, it is a terminating, and then 1 by 3 is a non-terminating, this is 0.5, it is terminating, this is 0.3 bar, and another 1 by 7 also I have shown you 0.14287 bar. So here all this is non-terminating repeating and this is terminating. So all these are rational numbers. Irrational number, you can take any example 0.10010005009 dash dash dash, and you can say that you have learned the value of root 2 is irrational. Value of root 2 is 1.414213 dash dash dash. That means you have to divide 22 by 7. So it is coming. So root 2 is irrational. And value of pi is also, value of pi is 22 by 7. So when you divide 22 by 7, pi is 3.1415926 bar dash dash dash. So here this is also a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion. So pi is an irrational number. Root 2 is also a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion. It is also an irrational number. Now we are going to do some questions. Find an irrational number between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. I have already divided 1 by 7. You got 1 by 7 is 0.142857 bar. This block of digits are repeating. Now you want to find out 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is 2 into 1 by 7. So 2 into 1 by 7 is this 142857 bar. That is you have to divide this one with a 2. So 7 2s are 14, 1, 5 2s are 10, 11, 1, 2 8s are 16, 17, 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 4 2s are 8, 2, 0. That is 285714. This block is repeating for 2 by 7. So when you want to take 3 by 7, that also 3 into 1 by 7. You multiply this one with the 3. And if you want to find out 4 by 7, then also you multiply 4 into 1 by 7, this 1 by 7 with the 4. So you will get it. Now you want to find out an irrational numbers between these two. So it is, this is 142857 bar and this is 285714 bar. Anything 14 and 28, you can write any number. Suppose if I take 14 and 28, you can take 15. So write down 0.15. After 15, you put any number you like, 075, 002 dash dash dash. So now this 0.15 is coming in between these two, 0.14 and 28, and after that any digit you put and put dash dash dash. So this is coming in between these two. One more number you can write 0.9, 0.19 is coming, then 0, 5, 7, 0, 0, 1, dash, dash. These two are the irrational number coming in between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. Now the next question. Show that 2.15 is a rational number. So I have told you terminating decimal expansion is a rational number. Now you have to show this as a rational number. That means you have to write this in the form of P by Q. So what is that? It is easy. So 2.15, you can write it as 215 by 100. So cancel it. 54320. It is 43 by 20. So 2.15 is 43 by 20. So this is in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. So this is a rational number. So now terminating decimal, you know how to convert it into a rational number. Now I am going to take another number 0.333 dash dash, that is 0.3 bar. You express it in the form of P by Q and show that it is a rational number. So now let us take X as 0.333 dash dash. Here only one digit is repeating, so you multiply this 10 x with 10. This is equation 1. Now equation 1, this one you multiply with the 10. So this one, x into 10 is 10x. When you multiply this one with 10, 1, 3 come to the left side of this point. So it is 3 point. Again, so many zeros are there. So 3's are there. So you write down 3 zeros, dash. So this is 2. So I am going to subtract this 1 from 2. So 2 is already written. 1 I am writing it here. 0.333 dash dash. This is 1. So subtract 1 from 2. What is 10x minus x is 9x. Oh, so many 3's. Every 3's, every digit 3, another 3 is there. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. All these 3 will be cancelled. This 3 minus 0 is 3. So 9x is 3. X is equal to 3 by 9. Cancel. X is equal to 1 by 3. So you got x is equal to 1 by 3. What is our x? Our x is 0.333 dash dash. That is equal to 0.3 bar. That is in the form of P by Q 1 by 3. So 0.333 dash dash, that is 0.3 bar. It is expressed in the form of P by Q, that is equal to 1 by 3. Since it can written in the form of P by Q, it is a rational number. So one digit is repeating. Now I am going to show block of digits are repeating. Now question number 3, you take 1.2727 dash dash, that is 1.27 bar. So 27, the block of 27 is repeating. You consider, make it in the form of P by Q and show that it is a rational number. Again you take our x as 1.2727 dash dash. This is first one. How many digits are repeating? 2 digits. So multiply this by 1 into 100. So 100x. When you multiply this side with 100, 127 will come this side, left side. So it will become 127. This point will come here. 0.2727. So many 27 are going like this. Now this is our equation. This one is 2. So first one you write it here. First one is 1.2727 bar. This is 1. Again you subtract 1 from 2. Minus. So this one 100x minus x is 99x. 7 minus 7 0. 2 minus 2 0. All these are becoming 0. 7 minus 1 is 6. 2 1. So 99x is equal to 126. X equal to 126 by 99. You can divide it with 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3 4 2. Again 3 11. 3 1 4. So it is 14 by 11. So x you got it as 14 by 11. What is our x? Our x is 1.2727 dash dash. That is 1.27 bar. That x is equal to 14 by 11. So we have written this one in the form of P by Q. So since we can write this in the form of P by Q, it is a rational number. One more thing I'll show you, one different type. Question number 4. You take an 1.23535 dash dash. Here 35 is only repeating, that is 0.2. No, bar is not above 2 because this 2 is not repeating. Bar is only for 35. So this also I am going to show in the form of P by Q. So same way you take our x as 0.23535 dash dash, that is equal to 0.235 bar. Remember, bar is only above 35, only 35 is repeating. Again you take our x as 0.23535 bar. So now that is now you take this one. First, the digit which is not repeating you take to this side, left side of decimal. So only one digit, that is 2, which is not repeating. So I am going to multiply this one with 10. So it will become 10x. This point will come here. It will become 2.35 bar. That is 3535 dash dash. So this is 2. Now similarly as you have done it, how many digits are repeating? 2. So you multiply this one with a 100. 100 into 10x. This also 100 into 2.3535 dash dash. So this will become 1000x. This one 2 places to this side. 235.3535, that is you can write down, okay, 35 bar. Now 10x, what is our 10x? 2.35 bar. This is 2.35 bar. Now you subtract these two. 1000x minus 10x is 990x. 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3, 2. So x 990 x equal to 233. X equal to 233 by 990. So you cannot cancel anything. So therefore x is equal to 233 by 990. What is our x? Our x is 0.235 bar equal to 233 by 990. That means this 0.235 bar we have written in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Therefore, this is a rational number.